Welcome to InfyGyan, my dear friends. Today in this video, we'll be solving one very interesting algebraic equation for the real values of x. So let's get started by writing denominators cannot be 0. So 2 plus 3x cannot be 0 and 4 plus 3x cannot be 0. So x cannot be equal to minus 2 over 3 and minus 4 over 3. Now we are going to multiply our equation by 9 both sides. We have 3x in the denominators. So we are going to write 3x in the numerators also. So for that we need to multiply by 9 to our equation. So we'll write 9 times, which we will write 3 square times 1 plus x whole square over 2 plus 3x whole square plus 3 square times 1 plus x whole square over 4 plus 3x whole square will be equal to 8 times 9, which is 72. Now we'll multiply this 3 into the bracket. We have a square here, so we'll write 3 plus 3x over 2 plus 3x whole square plus 3 plus 3x over 4 plus 3x whole square equal to 72. Now we have 2 plus 3x, 3 plus 3x, 4 plus 3x. So let us assume 3 plus 3x suppose equal to a. So we can write 2 plus 3x will become a minus 1 and 4 plus 3x can be written as a plus 1. So our equation will convert into a over a minus 1 whole square plus a over a plus 1 whole square equal to 72. Let me write here a over a minus 1 whole square plus a over a plus 1 whole square equal to 72. Now we'll be using one algebraic formula. It is p square plus q square equal to p plus q whole square minus 2pq. So if this is p and here we can assume this is q, then we can write our equation using this formula a over a minus 1 plus a over a plus 1 whole square minus 2 times a over a minus 1 times a over a plus 1 will be equal to 72. Now we have to simplify a bit. We will take LCM over here. A square plus a square minus a. So 2a square over a minus 1 times a plus 1 is a square minus 1 square, which is a square minus 1. Whole square is there, minus 2a square over a minus 1 times a plus 1, a square minus 1. We'll write 72 to left hand side and RHS will be 0. Now this is quadratic equation in 2a square over a square minus 1. So let us assume 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to m. So our equation will become m square minus m minus 72 equal to 0. So we will write m square minus m minus 72 equal to 0. Equation is quadratic. We can use method of factorization. We can write middle term minus m minus 9m plus 8m minus 72 equal to 0. We'll take m common. In the bracket, there will be m minus 9. Then we have 8 common. In the bracket, we'll write m minus 9 equal to 0. So factorization will become m minus 9 times m plus 8 equal to 0. Using product 0 rule, we are going to write either m minus 9 equal to 0 or m plus 8 equal to 0. So we have m equal to 9 and m equal to minus 8. Now m was 2a square over a square minus 1. So we can write 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to 9 equal to minus 8. So we have to solve two equations. I will write here 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to 9. 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to minus 8. So we'll solve first equation over here. 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to 9. We'll cross multiply. So 2a square will be equal to 9a square minus 9. We will get 7a square equal to 9. By dividing 7 both sides, we can get a square equal to 9 over 7. Now we'll take a square root both sides and we'll have a equal to plus minus 3 over square root 7. Now we can rationalize denominator by multiplying root 7 in the numerator and in the denominator. So this will become a equal to plus minus 3 root 7 over 7. Now we have second equation. It is 2a square over a square minus 1 equal to negative 8. Let's cross multiply. We will get 2a square is equal to 8 minus 8a square, or we can write 10a square equal to 8. By dividing 2 both sides, we will get 5a square equal to 4. By dividing 5 both sides, a square will become 4 over 5. By taking a square root both sides, we will get a equal to plus minus 2 over root 5. Again, we will rationalize denominator. So we will multiply denominator and numerator by square root 5. So we can write here a will be equal to plus minus 2 root 5 over 5. Now a was our substitution. A was 3x plus 3. So I will write here a equal to plus minus 3 root 7 over 7 plus minus 2 root 5 over 5. Now we have a 3x plus 3 will be equal to plus minus 3 root 7 over 7 plus minus 2 root 5 over 5. Now we'll divide both sides by 3. So let us write here divided by 3. So here also we will divide by 3. Here also we will divide by 3. So here we can write x plus 1. In right hand side we can cancel 3 from numerator, from the denominator 3. So we will write here plus minus square root 7 over 7 plus minus 2 root 5 over 15. Now we have to subtract 1 from both sides. We will get our final answers. So S will become minus 1 plus minus root 7 over 7 minus 1 plus minus 2 root 5 over 15. So X will be equal to minus 7 plus minus root 7 over 7 minus 15 plus minus 2 root 5 over 15. So in total we have 4 real solutions for our equation. I hope friends you will like this video. Thank you so very much for watching. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye bye till next video. Good luck. Take care. Goodbye.